is still over there. Food is not ready yet. So he's still working over there.
I see you got 3 monitors going on right here. What are you working on?
I'm not using that one. I just set up my new laptop.
Nice.
I had to install the drivers for the graphic card because before that it just crashed immediately.
Linux drivers for the graphic card.
Just immediately after login. I couldn't even log in. It just froze and I couldn't do anything. So I had to go to the console and do everything from the console.
Backbone node for the new version of the beta.NET basically.
So you guys just started writing code again?
So we just had the first pull request that actually breaks the old blockchain. So that will not be compatible. So we basically are hard forking the beta.NET now.
We now have a dev server running, which actually it uses the new state of our repository, and this one contains all the breaking changes. So it's not the state of the beta.NET as everyone can use, but it's a new state where we can introduce our changes and test them in a separate network basically.
We went to bed at like 11 last night.
You guys are tired.
And we started working this morning at like 6:30 or something.
In the morning?
6:30 in the morning, yeah. So it's still weird, but just shifted by kind of 6 hours.
Oh, nice. It's fun.
Yeah,
It's nice to get stuff done in the morning though.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It actually makes sense to sleep when it's dark. I know, that makes it easier to sleep. Yeah.
It's Mayling's birthday.
Feliz cumpleaños.
Muchas gracias.
¿Cuántos años?
35.
35, muy joven.
Sí.
Ilion already prohibited every kind of sports that is even a threat to our lives, like parachuting, bungee jumping.
That's pretty funny. It's like an NFL, NBA contract or something. Like that.
Exactly. Yeah. Probably we are not allowed to play football. And right now, like, all apps they're too complicated to, like, a normal user doesn't understand them very well. And if he doesn't understand them very well, he doesn't want to trust that app, that technology with his money. And that's the major issue, I think.
He'll just be like, I don't even want to deal with it.
Yeah, I'll deal with it later. Like, I'll learn about it later. Like, yeah.
It's hard to actually work with too many people on the same problem. So we typically talk about it, and then we kind of settle on a solution, and then we try to approach to implement the solution starting from different ends, so that we don't, kind of run into conflicts. That we're basically changing the same thing, and then it gets really hard to like merge all the changes that everybody did. So we kind of try to stay out of each other's way. So I'm building some of the new data structures and the first tiny algorithms that are going to be the basis for the new light blockchain. Light blockchain.
So I'm doing the same thing as Philip, but I'm approaching it from the network layer perspective. So while he's working on the real blockchain or header chain and so on, I'm working on the network layer, how the things are sent between the clients and so on. Yeah.
I'm focusing on proof of work today, so how to get it fast and with WebAssembly inside the browser, so it's native performance. And the new algorithm which you chose is a cuckoo cycle called, and it's like very specific algorithm
Probably rather some side project. I mean, the Cashlinks app is finished.
Or the main challenges are really like the user interface and how do you kind of present it and make it really cool, usable. So I think this is where most of the design decisions need to be made.
For the record, Atua,
Yeah, exactly.
he said that they're implementing one of my ideas. For the record.
We're also planning on actually having an exchange here. You know, once we have like a local exchange, like here at this place, basically.
What do you mean? Here, like right
Like
here
physically
in
here,
Costa Rica?
exactly.
Oh.
Like physically here, actually where we are right now, to have turned this place also
You can have a
into
line
a
going
place.
down the
So we're thinking about going down to Rocamar, maybe at like, depending on the weather, maybe
to
at
eat
around
or to just
just
For sunset.
So I mean it's Sunday, right? So I suppose they have this bonfire kind of thing.
Okay.
All right, you guys ready to time warp until sunset? So the team's already here because they went in the car. We went on the quad, and we're gonna go try to find them and see what's going on. I hear there's like a bonfire and like it's like a cool little sunset party. We'll see.
Hey!
Hey.
You guys at the beach? You know what's funny is all the way from the very top of the road, I could see your silhouette, like kind of walking right by the path, and I can tell it's you. You have a distinct silhouette.
There's a bunch of clouds blocking the sun, so maybe the sun might pop out and might end up with a cool sunset. But everyone's kind of just showing up, going about doing their thing. They should be lighting the bonfire in a little bit, and I think once it's nighttime, that might be like when the real party starts.
One beer just for yourself.
Well, you know, I asked the others, but they couldn't decide. So we kind of settled on everybody, you know, gets their own drink.
Oh, so you did ask him.
Yeah. This is so super important because otherwise we'd just be, you know,
You guys would
doing
be-
admin stuff.
You
all
guys
day.
would be a mess. You guys would be a complete mind mess.
This is horrible.
Managed to get some drinks. There's a lot of people at the beach, but surprisingly there's not a long line to get a drink. But probably at like some point in the night that changes and then everyone's over there getting drinks.
How you doing? What happens here? It's a sunset kind of family get-together party. Have a good time, have a big bonfire, have a fire show in a minute.
Looks like they might be filming. I'm not sure what they're filming, but there's a film crew and there's a designated guy just for the audio. So that means it must be a fairly serious team.
Wait, with your dad and your sister, the surf stuff.
Yeah.
I watch you guys sometimes.
What's your name?
Yali,
Ollie? Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Dottie.
Ollie, nice to meet you. You filming a documentary? Or just film?
TV show.
Oh, cool.
Look at you with your little...
Yeah, I'm just filming some YouTube videos.
Yeah? Good for you.
Whoa, electricity just went off. And then it came back on. Wow, I'm surprised I got that on video. Right now I'm up in a tree filming, but the electricity just went out. Let's see if the electricity comes back on. Uh oh. Come on, electricity.
That's
Martin Landau.
See you tomorrow.
See ya. 9 a.m. So stay tuned for that and see you guys in the next one.